and welcome back to the Harrison. We're in Old Town Kissimmee tonight, having the best time. So we're here looking at all the cars, classic car show, playing in the arcades, just been for a drink. Alfie and Danny love the cars. Don't get me wrong, they are great to look at. Not that I know what many of them are, but you two do, so that's alright. So let's have a little play. There is also Fun Spot America here, so there's like rides, there's little shops and touristy things to do, so there's loads to come and see and have a look at. Definitely recommend a night out here. Loads of fun for all the family. Yeah, so we'll catch up for you later. Oh, you're left-handed as well. What did we get?
Almost 900.
845. Nice work. I'll be having a go. Oh, good job. Not bad, not bad. Didn't quite beat Danny, but you'll get there, won't you? Yes. Nice work.
Stage, here's your opportunity. Tune up your vocal cords, come on out and join us for karaoke every Tuesday and every Thursday from 7 to 11 p.m. right back here on our main stage. Karaoke every Tuesday and Thursday. All right, everybody listen up. Come check out the hottest new kiosk on Block 3 in Old Town. Let It Go offers LED-inspired products for kids of all ages that includes such as those beautiful LED balloons that you see once the sun goes.
Are you on there? What is it?
Miami Vice.
I'm about a half an hour. We're going to do a sound check
strawberry,
with the band.
32 ounces.
And then they'll be ready to come on at 7 o'clock.
Carry you home.
I think it's frozen, so that'll be nice.
Of course, with a pause in there for the world famous Saturday night
I'm on a
food.
Pepsi.
Yeah,
You want to know
that's
who
the way
made
we
this
should
tonight?
do it.
Just so happens I have that.
Hello.
Hello.
Got some gator. Hello. Where you up? Bye.
Gator bites.
Gator tail. Alligator tail.
What does it taste like?
Chicken.
Chicken. Gator nice. What's the sauce? Dip your gator in the sauce.
Tastes like chicken. Like a spicy mayo.
So you dip gator in a spicy mayo. Lovely.
Being adventurous.
Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, it's not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see.
Kissimmee. We're in downtown. Is it downtown or Old Town? Old Town Kissimmee. We're at the Saturday night car show, classic car show. So there's the Rocktown, is it Rocktown band playing tonight? And then we're just having a look down all the cars. We've been at the bar for a little while. So I've just necked a 32-ounce Miami Vice. That was lovely. Yeah, Old Town Kissimmee on Saturday night. Oh, look at that dog. And then the cars, there's loads of old classic cars which I like. I mean, I'm not good with cars, but Danny and Alfie know a lot more than me, don't you?
Yeah.
So you can tell me what all the good ones are. What's your favourite so far?
Probably the two down there.
Yeah, they look
Very
good.
end.
Ooh. So have a walk down and see what we can find.
Hey, thank you very much.
Good here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really cool.
And it all takes place right here on the Red Brick Street, Old Town. Featuring grand cars and stars and brick streets and stage. It's Saturday Night Cruise.
Oh, someone's on the swing.
The leading on the back tonight. First out, you'll see Carol in
Oh, that'd be
1958
good on
Chevy
that
golf
one.
cart.
Goes on.
Right behind Carol is our... Let's bring you up update on some of our current events here in Old Town and as well as upcoming events. We'll start out with Wednesdays. Every Wednesday we have a car show, and each week we highlight a specific type of vehicle. One week could be all Chevy products, next week could be all Ford products, next week could be all Volkswagen products, and the list goes on and on. We park those specific vehicles right out here on Red Brick Street, Old Town, and that is where we're giving the list. Now, any other cars that qualify for our Friday and Saturday night show will all join us. And we park them back on Trophy Road right by the stage. And yes, we do have live entertainment every Wednesday from 6 until 10 p.m. Imported.
favourite one?
I'm not sure.
You don't know what it's called? What was it called? I like the pink one. What was the pink one? I also like the one, the big black one that made the really funky horn sound, which is not a great description, but I like the noise of them. They're really good. That's cool. Yeah, that one. That was like.
Go with the gangsters. Matty races.
Yeah.
Big definitely. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
That was good. That. Say hi, Mum. Yeah, as if you drank that. So we've had a great night in Old Town Kissimmee. Ignore somebody's car alarm. Might be our car alarm actually. But yeah, it was definitely well worth the visit. Loads of little gift shops, really cool. There's some rides and fun spots in America. There's some big rides. And then we got to see the car show, best of all. Lovely night out.